Hey everybody, and welcome back to a new episode. This is Daniel, your host from Stockforce One. Today we'll discuss further about shadow patterns and what shadow patterns are. In our latest episode, we've discussed about the shadow patterns that can be applied for swing. Okay, and today we'll discuss a shadow pattern that is quite common and can be applied for day trading, and it's quite easy to be understood. Generally, the shadow patterns are movements made by the market makers, the ones that are making the market. You got to learn and understand what market makers are, how they are behaving in the market, what kind of liquidity they need to move the markets, and what are those offerings. Please read on Google or in our courses what offerings are, because these are very important, especially for the day traders. So let's get into it. We got wind has recently been transacted. So whenever the market is opening up, okay, and you got the price of the shares is going up in pre-market. This one went from 332 to 942, okay, quite up. But at the opening, you got the volume is very high. Here you got something like 2.83 million. It's necessary to be above 2 million, and when the market is got a huge volume, or the volume in the market is high, it needs to be above 4 million in the first 5 minutes. You can see it here. Get your mouse on 5 minutes, okay, push it, you measure this one up, you are patient first for the volume to go above at least 2 million, and when the market again got a lot of volume above 4 million, and you short it. Where you shorted, it went here, okay, 613, okay, at the first, let's say, support. This is our first support, and if you are greedy, you go to the second support, and the third support is here, okay, especially in consolidation. But here you got the key price, you got resistance here and support here, and the support is stronger than the resistance, so you got on support and went straight here, as you can see, 617. Okay, this is a shadow pattern for shorting. Mira, the same, when it has opened, okay, it's got 3.44 million. What is happening in fact here, when the market is opening with a huge volume, the market maker is becoming dizzy. Why? Because he's attacked for too many orders from the retailers, okay. But you got to look also over the structure of the price, because below 3 you got people that are investing something like 1,000, 10,000 US dollars, 500, small money, okay. Below 2 we're talking about hundreds and maybe couple of thousand, and below 1, 10, 5, $2, and so on and so on. So as you're going down, the market is more crazy, just for you to understand, okay. But whenever you have an engulf, it's the market is engulfing, don't know what to do, okay, and the market maker, it's making an offering very, very, very fast. So here at this level, they are selling packages of 500,000 and 1 million shares from this company here, and are taking your money out. Whenever this is happening, they are engulfing, and you got to be very sure that the price is going down. The success percentage for this shadow pattern is something like 95%, okay. But be very careful, because when the market is got too much volume, generally, okay, too much volume, it can go up and up and up, despite the fact it's got an the engulf pattern here. And you got POAI, okay, again it's similar, okay. You got 8.53 million, you can see here 8 on the volume, yeah, 8.53 million. You got to be very sure, so it's very predictable, this one, that is going down, and it went down here, okay. Next day went down, really down. When you got a huge engulf or a huge volume on the first, not candle, auction, never speak about candles. Candle is stupid. Candle, you can use it only in churches or when you go to a funeral, maybe to a wedding, whatever. Yeah, this is an auction. Okay, auction, 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 auction. No candles. When you go in this auction and you got so much huge volume, you can go and swing also down here if it's possible, from 235, you see, to 128. It's quite a lot, but you can enter when you are very sure on a trade. You can enter with a lot of money or with a huge part of your account. Very simple and straightforward. I hope you understand the shadow pattern too. Don't forget to like, to follow, and come to our platform. Stock Force One is the best. Sincerely, Daniel out.